Good afternoon. Welcome to the Ocean View Hotel. Do you have a reservation? Yes, we booked a double room for 2 nights under the name Taylor. Let me check. Yes, I see your reservation here. A double room with a sea view.
Great. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the first floor. Perfect. Is there also a gym in the hotel? Yes, there is a fitness room open 24 hours a day. You'll find it next to the swimming pool.
Excellent. Can we have 2 key cards, please?
Of course. Here you are. Your room number is 305 on the 3rd floor. Thank you. Could you also tell us how to get to the city center? Sure. You can take bus number 12 right outside the hotel, or it's about a 15 minutes walk.
That sounds easy enough.
Would you like me to arrange a wake-up call for tomorrow morning? Yes, please. Around 7:30 a.m. Done. If you need anything else, just dial 0 from your room phone.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay and have a wonderful evening. Thanks. We're sure we will.